Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, and thanks for joining me to tour my latest listing. Now, I'm here today in the North London neighborhood of Old Masonville. Now, this neighborhood is coveted for the privacy and the large lots that you'll find, but also for its proximity to Masonville Mall, University Hospital, and Western University. Now, I think you'll be surprised at the amount of space that you'll find in this home. The main floor is really quite sprawling with a huge family room and beautiful finishes like unique brick walls, slate floors, and granite countertops. You can absolutely feel the quality that has gone into the construction of this home. So enjoy the tour and don't forget to do the 3D virtual tour that we've included below. And if you have any questions, you can reach out with the information that you'll find at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.